This Century 21 Agate Realty property video is presented by David Itzen. Looking for a large home or a perfect place for two families? This 6-bedroom home, or 3 per duplex unit, has it all. 2 small wall portions to be replaced for duplex use. It has 2 full kitchens, 4 full and 2 half baths and 2 great open living rooms. Relax in the above ground swimming pool or hot tub. Great income potential with current city permits for vacation rental per owner. Rare property with so many possibilities. Smaller family. Live in one duplex and rent out the other. Great value here. For more information, review the details below or contact David Itzen at 541-661-2541.